Welcome to you once again. Welcome to you in our YouTube channel English Speaking Course Shiroda. अँड अजूनही तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसाल तर नक्कीच आणि आत्ताच सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकनला प्रेस करायला विसरू नका जेणेकरून नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला लगेचच मिळतील. सो वी आर हिअर टुडे स्टुडंट्स लिसन. Today we are here for one debating. Okay, now they are here for debating and now I will give them one controversy topic. Okay students, now I will give you one controversy topic. As we know that in everyone's life there is a big role of parents and teachers. Okay, of parents and teachers, am I right? Yes. So here question arises that who inspire to children for their education, for their career life, who maintain good discipline, in children. Got it? Understood? So you have to talk about it. Who inspire to children to achieve their aims and many other points you have to discuss here. Got it? The question arises that who inspire to children, who inspire to children for their career life, for their making the life decision, as well as to maintain their good behavior, to maintain their good discipline. Okay, you have to talk about who inspired to children, whose main role in children's life, Okay, parents or teachers. Understood? Parents or teachers. Did you understand my point? So now here debating, you have to put your views. Understood? Yes. Okay. So you give your short introduction and then start. Who will start first?
Hello, here is Sudhir. Today I presenting here. It's one controversy topic. Who inspire children to their reach out their dream and aim also. So that.
Okay, my first point is when children, most of the children behaves are come from their parents because they spend most of the when in childhood most of the time they spend with their parents, so they observe their parents, their family members, so their behavior also come to their children. Most of the children also try to mimic their parents, how they behave, how they stop talk with other people. So I think most of the time behavior come from parents.
Okay. He talked about behavior. Okay. So behavior sometimes what happen every time when children in home, when children in their home, so they observe their parents, how they behavior, how they behave with each other, how they talk, what they do. Okay, and they learn from their parents, behavior. Okay, but don't you think about that there is in behavior teacher's role is there?
Yes.
Misunderstood my question.
Yeah.
Don't you think about that in their behavior or maintaining discipline, some teacher role is there?
Yes. So I will share my opinion on that behavior point to give teacher. One teacher is really good for one student. They also provide them good manner in the class. That's why I will share on the point of my source of inspiration. Mostly teachers are following and sharing the her thoughts, opinions to the class in all class. That's why she provide them good sources like books. She also teaching good well and providing good knowledge for their future life, and also support them to achieve their goal and reach out to their aim. That's why my point is inspirations and motivation them always and all think about. That is my point.
So means by inspiration students learn very well how to behave as well as how to maintain their discipline while achieving their goal in their day-to-day life. Am I right?
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Teachers are teach to students how to respect others. Teachers provides all things about study. Teachers improve students' qualities. They they know that student what student
what they want.
what they want. They improve behavior. Uh, te- Teachers not only teach in classroom but they teach life lessons.
Okay, means actually told that teachers not only teach them lesson means books lesson, they teach them life lesson thing, how to take decision in your life, how to be a strong in every situation, how to fight in your trouble time, in your problem time, means how to fight in any situation in your life. Okay, means teacher maintain the courage in every student. Am I right? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. My next point is I think ideal because so most of the children take make their parents or other family members as their idol. Because when children grow with their parents, they tend to make their parents idol because some children also like their father, respect their father. They see him as the strongest man in the world. Like they also see their mother as a happiest woman in the world. Like they want to give everything, every happiness in the world. So they want to they make their parents the idol. They want some parents also are in good field, like good career in good fields, like doctor, engineers, or other like in art sector like dancer. So they also want to become like their parents. So my point is most of children when they are small, their child dream will be become like their parents.
Okay, okay. Means if we talk about the idol, then in family, the family is belonging the professional level, professional side. So every means children follow their dream. Children walk with their footstep. Okay, children think about that. I want to become like my parents. They learn. They see since childhood. They see since childhood what my parents are doing, what my parents do work. Okay, that's why means they observe since childhood and they learn and they fit in their brain that I want to become like my parents. Am I right? But after they go in school, sometime their aim, sometime their dreams change. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Talk about.
Okay, I will share my next point in that question. So, who inspired these students, teacher or parents? So, my next point is awareness and like evaluation. So, mostly teacher are providing to all class and students how to
Look here and yes.
how to aware in our day to day life and how to stable and how to survive in our all over country and all over the our family and also to our colleagues and also our teacher and non teaching staffs in the schools and also to other sectors. So you make your plan, how to make your plan and how to convert into the action. That's why evaluation is good in the our future and learning purpose. That's why teacher are following the rules and regulation. So it's provide to rules and regulation to the children and he also follow the rules and also making good plan to our future and it's converted into the action, that is evaluation in the career process. That's why my this point awareness and evaluation.
Means you're talking about first teacher make idol front of them. Okay, teacher behave what they teach to student, like how to maintain discipline, how to be honest with other. So first teacher behave same like front of, and then after students learn from them. Am I right? And student maintain their discipline. To students learn so many things, life lesson things. Okay, and that's why awareness create in some qualities. Students maintain their awareness. Okay, so awareness about what did you talk?
Awareness like
Means teachers.
how to survive teachers provide.
Ah, ah.
So teachers providing to the all class and student how to survive in our country, day to day life,
Yeah.
and also to how to respond our career positions and how to respect to other peoples.
Okay,
They
okay.
also awareness, it's parts of their respect and also survive. This
Surviving
is
our
the my
life.
point. Yeah.
Teachers compulsory tell student to participate in all competition. That's why all student get motivation. Student gets stage daring. So teachers tells compulsory participate in all. Uh, don't don't go back.
Yes.
Yes, teachers all time teacher in any competition. Teachers motivate to students.
Yeah, that's why they get stage daring.
Yes.
Okay, they can perform front of others, they can perform front of thousands of people, am I right? Okay, and somehow that creativity increase, means the if you talk about the creativity point, so teacher is big role here, teacher's role is big here. Okay, means when first teacher observe what qualities she has, he has. Okay, and they give guidance, they give good direction to every student. Okay, and that's why children, every child get good track. Okay, am I right? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, my next point is skills. Most of children, those who grow in a good family, their parents are good career, like professional careers, like become a doctor, engineer, or other yeah, other celebrity like types career, like dancer, singer. So this will also inherit their skill from their parents, like become good dancer, singer. Some children also have good mind, becoming good at chess or becoming smart, so they can so these skills allow them to follow follow their same career as their parents. So I think inherit from their parents, also help them in their career.
Okay, means you're talking about the genetic quality transfer from parents to children. Okay, so sometimes we see in film industry, also professional sector, means children follow as like their parents. Okay, so that.
I will share my third point in that question. So, motivation and discipline. Motivation and discipline. I tell about the motivation and discipline. Discipline and motivation is a very important to our life. He providing to the teacher. As a teacher, one mentor, he guides to the students how to motivate, how to train ourselves with the help of motivation and with the help of discipline. And discipline is a very important part of our life. So any place, any other public place, we maintain our discipline. So it is an a good process to our making our professional, our making you professional, and also to build our good position in their day to day life. So discipline is very important. That's why motivation also is important to reach out our goal and how to achieve our goal. Motivation helping to ourselves to go reach out to our dream. That's why motivation and discipline is a very important part of our life. It's providing to teacher as a mentor of our life,
Providing from teacher.
providing from teacher as a mentor of our life.
And sometimes what happen, we know about that. Sometimes some children don't handle from parents. Parents also complain to teacher that she or he, my child is not maintain discipline in school, in class, in house. So you behave strict with student, with that particular child student. So discipline maintain, it's very strict in school level. Okay, exception are always there. Sometimes some parents are very strict, am I right? But school level strictness is very different, am I right?
Yeah, right.
So sometimes we see student who doesn't behave good in home, they behave well in front of teachers, am I right? Yes.
When students thinks what we choose for career, that time some parents are forced to children which side that parents you choose particular side, but teachers suggest suggest students many ideas. They don't force in any option because teachers know that students
Like, dislike.
what
What
will
they
s-
want.
what they wa- student what they want, what like to do, like what student like to do.
Okay. Means, yes, it's correct. Sometimes what happens, some family pressure, we have seen so many news, some school going, college going students are suicide attempt. But sometimes what happen, teacher explain very well to their parents also, that what is good for them. Yeah, am I right that parents big role and big rights it's there. Okay, hakka adhikar rights is there to take decision of children's life. Okay, but sometimes what happen, their children like is different. Okay, their aim is different, but parents are forcing to them to achieve that goal. But sometimes a teacher explain to their parents very well. Also, teacher explain to their children very well that what is good for you, and what is not good for you. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, my next point is career. So, some children who grow up in good family tend to inherit their family business. Like if their family are good business, they also try to go in their family in the business instead of trying to build a career from scratch. They can just inherit their family business and make a big money. But there are also some children who follow a professional life, like some parents who are government sector or private sector, good made good careers. They also try to follow their path because they have a guide from their parents. They can easily they have easier, like they have a good ideas from their parents, good guide. So it become easy for them to go into the same career.
They carry on, or they carry forward their family business. Okay, but don't you think about that there is some limitation, there are so many limitations, as well as also there are so many, about some rules, regulations. But if you open your own business, if you open your own startup, then you get freedom. Okay, that's why you can choose, that's why you have to choose your different way, different path. Yeah, it is good one way, that sometimes some ideas get from their grandparents, their parents. Okay, and also it's a ready-made like business. You can use your smart ideas. If any student, okay, get that their family business, then he can also develop very well. He can use the smart ideas, but there are some limitations. Okay, listen, we will listen from him.
Okay, I will turn my next point in that question. So next point is there, qualities and skills is there of student. One person is there like teacher is an guidance, it is an mentor of every student life, and it is know about the who is student is capable to her capable for her skill and qualities, because they know the every student who is good in art, who is good in communication skill, who is good in good speeches, like also know about the one teacher is also handle, and teacher is knows about the all ideas, all knowledge of that particular students, a particular boy. That's why we also focus and also provide them to good track on the handle the any situation. Like for example, I will give good example of that skills and qualities. So one students also adopt their communication skills with the help of teacher as a guidance is know about the who is capable for good communication skill and who is good in communication skill. That's why teacher is good than also that skills and qualities. It's helping to them.
Means he told about that all the qualities teacher means students learn from teacher. Okay, sometime quality also matter. You know about we have seen some in some families parents also don't know what the qualities they have. Okay, what the qualities their children have, but teacher know very well. Sometimes teacher give financial support. Okay, you know about paying fee of exam, also as well as picnic fee. Some student want to come in picnic but they are not able to pay fee, also their financial condition is not there, but at time teacher support. Okay, and again I'm talking about the quality. Some students they very well in some art means qualities they have very well some different types of qualities like singing, dancing, instrument playing, but because of their financial condition, lack of money, they don't take extra classes, they don't go extra classes to develop their skill, but that time teachers support them. Am I right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, yes.
Students have many skills, but they don't know. When teachers motivate to students, they got more confidence for our growth. But sometimes students don't know that when we use our skills, where we use our skills, that time teachers help to students.
That's to the students. Okay. Yes. Sometimes what happen, as I told before that, in family, some families they don't get scope to present their qualities like speech, like singing, like dancing. But in school there are so many competition. So students, every student gets stage to perform their skill, to present their skill, present their qualities. Am I right? Yes. Yeah. So it is a big source to develop their qualities and maintain the good stage dairy.
Okay, my last point is finance. Children, when they grow up, when they are try to follow their career or their dreams, parents are the one who support them fully, providing with finance, like sending them big university or other courses, giving them money so they can get all the education they want. Some parents also have their children opening their own businesses, like giving them like taking loans for their children, uh, giving them capital to open their business. So I think when it come to career, like making career, and if they need money, so parents are the first people who will come forward for their children.
Yeah, yes, yes. Means, their parents' intention is that my child must build their career. He must settle. He must settle. So I can do anything. Am I right?
Okay, so my last point is there. I will share my opinion on that. Coordinations and mutual understanding. One teacher is an provide good coordination and mutual understanding to their class and all students, how to behave to other students, how to make a mutual understanding to other students, and how to respect to the teachers, and also mutual understanding and mutually how to connect mutually to with you and also teachers. That's why fair treatments, it's a very important. It's a with the help of teacher provide to fair treatment, equal treatment, also team spirit. That's why mutual understanding and coordination, it's a very important to our class, and also the out of the class, and also also our families. That's why mutual understanding and coordination, it's a good point for students. It's learning by as a mentor or as a teacher. This is the matter.
Means equal treatment, with the help of equal treatment students means no one depressed, bias, yeah, no one depressed. Okay, they don't get upset, they get every day happy. Okay, and they get motivation.
Fair treatment to all.
fair treatment to all students. With the help of this treatment, they get motivation, they are happy always, and they don't make comparison with each other. Okay, you have given here very well point. I really happy for you. Also, before you have means previous in video session also you have given your best, and now also you have given here your best performance, and that's why, and especially I appreciate her, and she has given also good points, so I really happy for you. Okay, and it was her first video session, means debate session. And yes, let me conclude this point in two lines. Yes, teacher and parents both are equal, both are well in their place. Okay, we can't means we can't compare. Okay, so we must respect them. Okay, and thanks for watching our video.